Today's motorcycles with modern electronics and best quality tires demand very little from a rider to even negotiate a challenging turn. Beyond a certain time, one needs to upgrade the level of challenge to make motorcycling more engaging.
So, first and foremost, we have to be very mindful when we pass the village because this goes directly through the village. So please keep your revs low. It helps to keep the trail open. Now, especially on the trail, you encounter object fixation. Your eye is naturally drawn to the rear wheel. So what you want to do is, you want to make a conscious effort to look ahead and look up, not at the guy's rear wheel.
So, all those who have got bored riding on long straight roads, it is a time to go off-road. And the moment you do that, one will realize that suddenly each body part and the brain are put to a real test to know if you have mastered the art of motorcycling. Yes, going in the dirt makes you perfect to learn all those small tricks which many don't learn even after clocking thousands of kilometers on various roads. Trail riding can bring back all the fun of motorcycling in a matter of seconds without the need for modern electronics and the fear of cops. If in the right company, one can learn a lot even while riding on a small trail. Apart from that, one gets to soak in the beauty of nature and breathe the purest form of oxygen. Delhi NCR is blessed to have the most beautiful and historical Aravalli Hills, which are the oldest fold mountain ranges in the world. Aravalli ranges stretch about 900 kilometers right from Delhi till Ahmedabad. Guru Shikhar is the highest point in Aravalli, which is located in Mount Abu. Aravalli trails near Delhi are the most challenging as full of rugged rocky hills with many uphill and downhill slopes and tough technical section that offer difficulty level of all kind.
a natural reservoir
Yeah.
which underwater connects with the various other lakes also. It's very serene, so we enjoy coming here and we get to practice a little area to practice our off-road skills.
Okay.
So that is the quality of this place, and it's fun to get to and to get out of. I mean, we have very few opportunities in this area, and this is lake adjoining Coat Village.
Coat Village.
Yeah. So this is Pani Coat. This is called Pani Coat Lake.
Pani Coat Lake.
Yeah.
Okay. And
And Nakul here brought me here for the first time.
okay, you
And
come
we've
from.
been, yeah, we've been coming here ever since.
Okay, Nakul. With respect to Aravali, there are how many trails? If you really look at the total area.
Yeah, I think over the network surrounding Delhi and NCR, there's innumerable trails. They're all interconnected. At some point, some are rocky, some are slushy. There are 7 or 8 different lakes, large and small. They're all interconnected via this system of trails.
Okay.
And the villagers use these trails, animals use these, we see wildlife. It's very nice.
So basically, it provides a complete mix of rocky terrain, slush, soft dirt roads.
There's even some sand sections.
Okay.
And there's a section called Summer Sprint where you have washouts.
Okay.
You have sections which are entirely baby head rocks.
Okay.
You have large boulders. There's even rock gardens with sharp rocks.
Okay.
There's ravines, small ravines, but ravines.
Okay.
So it gives you a complete overview of
Variety.
every possible kind of terrain.
Great.
Because you need a cooler day for the trails.
Yeah.
You know, there's no air coming in through from the jungles.
Yeah.
So you need a cooler weather
Okay.
because it leads to dehydration
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah, true. Hi, good morning, friends. Today it is 11th July, and we are standing at Panikot Lake, which is very close to Coat Village. It is in Aravali Hills. If you see from Faridabad Gurgaon Highway, it is roughly around 18 to 20 kilometers. This particular ride has a mix of little bit of slush, but mostly a rocky trail. But quite enjoyable and has a lot of beautiful surroundings. We have a mix of all kind of motorbikes in this particular ride, which is consisting of Africa Twin, Tiger, KTM 390 Adventure, GS 310. So it's a mix of all motorcycles. There have been no rain, so it is a beautiful day, and I think we all enjoyed this particular ride. Further from this lake, one can return via Summer Sprint. That is another fast dirt track which is around 18 km long. The Summer Sprint is located next to the toll on Gurgaon Faridabad road. It also leads to the famous Damdama Lake. In Aravali, some sections are full of sharp stones and rocks which need a certain degree of riding skills and must not be attempted without the guidance of skilled riders. Going alone in these trails is strictly not recommended, as handling an emergency can be a very tricky task. Proper riding gear and good quality boots are mandatory apart from water, first aid, and a puncture repair kit. So, if bored riding on city roads, go off road.